When it comes to tightening and loosening fasteners, or tweaking adjustment screws, it pays to have the right tool on hand. Using the wrong screwdriver can damage the tool, and the workpiece, or even be a danger to the user. The best way for a DIYer or pro to ensure they have the right screwdriver is to buy a complete set. In this video, we are going to talk about a variety of best screwdriver sets in 2023 and how we have categorized them into a list starting from numbers 5, 4, 3, and so on. So do you watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments section if you like the video? Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Each of the products has its link below in the description box so you can find more information about them. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. On number 5, we have Klein Tools 11-in-1 screwdriver set you can find on the market in 2023. As opposed to larger bit sets, with dozens of little pieces apartment to go missing or take up space, the Klein is a single, compact screwdriver that is easy to store and even easier to use. It holds 8 popular tips, including Phillips, slotted and Torx, as well as 3 different nut drivers. Each tip is heat-treated and industrial strength, although one drawback is that the tips aren't magnetized and the cushion grip handle allows for excellent torque and comfort. It's a great tool for people who don't use screwdrivers often, as it won't take up a lot of space or cost as much as a full set, but it will get the job done should you ever need to use it. Moving on to number 4, we have an ORIA precision screwdriver kit you can find on the market in 2023. Working on electronics or other small items requires precision tools, and this 60-piece set from ORIA has most of the fastening needs covered. Simply put, it's one of the best screwdriver sets for electronics and more. This kit comes with several Phillips and slotted bits, as well as nut drivers, hex tips, Torx, star, security, and tamper-proof bits, totaling 56 bits in all. The bits are chromium vanadium, meaning they'll be long-lasting and easy to clean. This screwdriver set also comes with a carrying case for all the bits. It includes a flexible shaft for fastening in tight places, and the screwdriver's shaft extends for better reach. While the screwdriver might be a bit small for heavy-duty work, this set can handle most fastening needs. On number 3, we have the TEKTON Ratchet screwdriver you can find on the market in 2023. With as many screws and fastener types as there are on the market, a comprehensive kit like this one from TEKTON can be a necessity. This screwdriver set features 135 pieces, including several Phillips, slotted, Torx, star, tamper-proof, and hex bits, as well as nut drivers and specialty bits like pentalobe and positive. The screwdriver that comes with this set ratchets, allowing the user to choose between tightening, loosening, or locking the shaft in place. It also has in-handle storage, though there aren't any bit holders inside, though it does come with a carrying case and an affordable price tag. A nice addition to round out the packed feature set is a set of precision bits and a precision screwdriver to fix electronics and other small items, like glasses. On number 2, we have a GEARWRENCH 20-pieces screwdriver you can find on the market in 2023. DIYers that don't mind spending a bit extra for pro-grade tools should consider the GEARWRENCH 20-pieces screwdriver set. This set comes with 9 Phillips bits, 9 slotted bits, and 2 Torx bits. Though this kit might not have hex, tamper-proof, or other tip types, the screwdrivers it does have a range from many precision sizes to 8 inches long for a variety of applications. This screwdriver set from GEARWRENCH checks the boxes in terms of materials and design. The shafts are polished alloy, making them easy to clean and unlikely to rust. The tips themselves are black oxide to make them durable and long-lasting. Also, the grips feature a tri-lobe design that is ergonomic, while the material resists oil. Some of the screwdrivers even feature hex bases on the shaft for slipping a wrench over to improve torque. In the first place, we have the DEWALT screwdriver bit set you can find on the market in 2023. Anyone looking for a full kit of screwdriver bits for their screw gun or other tools should give this 45 pieces. This kit includes several Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square bits, allowing users to handle most construction fasteners with one kit. It also comes with 2 nut drivers and a magnetic drive guide for screws. However, this kit doesn't come with a screwdriver. The bits are standard 1/4 inch size, meaning they're compatible and interchangeable with most multi-bit screwdrivers, though. Also, there are bits of varying lengths, allowing users to choose the right length for the project at hand. Everything is stored neatly in the secure carrying case with its clear cover, keeping everything on display for quickly finding the right bit. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below, which are updated to the latest prices. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.